Hello, I am Samiksha. I am telling about Needly app. The purpose of Needly application is instant message sending to unsaved mobile number. Able to send direct WhatsApp message using normal WhatsApp and WhatsApp business also. And you can automatically and simultaneously reply to messages which are received on your three apps, that is normal WhatsApp, WhatsApp business and Telegram also, in which I do registration as a user. Give some permission. Enter here mobile number. Enter your first name and last name. Enter your email ID. Select your state. Select your district and select your taluka. Click on proceed button. Enter OTP here and verify. Now I am click on three dots and active caller ID. In active caller ID, I will use this permission to call people in your group to get their form details, and I will know which group member has filled the form or not. So for this we need permission of active caller ID from you. Now I want to create Needly form. So I create Needly group first. We use Needly groups to add people to the form which we want to get the data. Now click on add group. My group name is registration form and description to collect the data from user. Select members group and click on submit button. Now registration form is ready. Click on that form and click on plus button to add the contact. I am adding contact and a description is optional. Now I am adding one more contact. Click on add button. Now open that registration form and see two contacts is in the group. Now click on Needly form. In this, give permission to the Needly and wait for accept. In the Needly form, in this we create the form as we want and add this form to the group. So when you call any person in this group, you will see the completed report. You see complete report. Now click on add form project. My project name is admission. Click on submit button. Now admission form. Open that form and show form. Click on add form and select Needly form. Enter your form name. Form name is registration form. Purpose to collect the data. Description to share. Please fill this form. Your form validity date is from today up to 31st of August. Okay. Click on more button. Now the form is active. Receive message from specific group or from anyone. You can select single response or multiple response. Next, do you want to send record ID in reply? No. Click on auto reply on receiving data. Here I set auto reply for end user. Thank you for your response. Click on submit button. Now the registration form is ready. Open that form. Click on add group. Select your form, that is registration form. Click on add button. Group added successfully. Again click on registration form. Now click on add questions. Here normal question and advanced question. Select normal question. Click on add button. Now enter your question first. Enter your name. Is my first question. Now you can add multiple question here. Click on submit button. Finish add questions. Yes. Now share this form to the group members. Here downloaded service and auto message service is one of the main permission to give, and click allow. Now share this form to the group members and it is automatically sent to that particular number. Now I click on Needly forms. Click on admission, show form and registration form. Now click on view answers and reply. Now I click on call button. For this we need permission of active caller ID from you. Thank you.